You've already spent years perfecting your edits in Lightroom. What if all that work could train AI to edit exactly like you? Generic AI falls short. Most AI editing tools give you generic results. They might look good, but they don't look like your work because they don't know how you edit. Your preferences, your decisions, your style. With Aftershoot, you can train an AI profile using your Lightroom catalog. So instead of adapting to the AI adapts to you. Start by creating a new album in Aftershoot. Next, go to the AI Profiles tab and click New Profile. Choose to create a professional AI profile. This is the option that learns directly from your past edits. Now, select the catalogs you want to train from. Focus on your best and most consistent work because this is what defines your style. Aftershoot analyzes your edits, learning how you handle exposure, color, contrast, white balance, and more. Not just what your images look like, but how you make editing decisions. Once training is complete, your AI profile is ready. Now, when you apply it to new images, it doesn't just apply a look, it replicates your editing decisions across the entire shoot. When you import a new set of images, go to the Edit tab, select your AI profile, and click Start Editing. Your entire shoot gets edited in your style. This is where everything shifts. You're no longer starting from scratch with every shoot. You're scaling the way you already edit with consistency, speed, and control. If you already have a Lightroom catalog, you already have everything you need. Train your AI profile in Aftershoot and turn your past edits into your future workflow.